The power of debt. How rich people make money. You may have heard the quote that debt is the root of all evil. Don't get into debt because it is slavery. And it might be a little bit true because when you have a lot of debts, your life is over. While you are trying to pay off all your debts, the interest keeps growing because nobody lends money for free. The United States has over $15 trillion of consumer debt, which means that the average household debt is over $5,300. The US GDP is over $21 trillion, meaning the entire economy consists of debt. But here's the thing, debt isn't as bad as it sounds. It just became unpopular, perhaps because most of our debts are bad ones. Credit card debts, a car loan, and student debts might have you thinking about how long you are going to pay them off. Let's understand how debt can be something good by looking at how rich people use debt to make more money. It might be a little confusing because why would rich people use debt anyway? Only the people without any cash use debt. But that isn't how capitalism works. Debt becomes powerful when you know how to use it. Welcome to Wealthy Wisely channel. In this video, we will be explaining how rich people make more money by using debt. 1. Trading is based on debt. You might be scared to take out a loan to start a business, and you are right, it's a bad idea. However, some companies, especially traditional ones, use debt as their primary option. For example, if you want to sell hair ties, you fly to China and find a factory that produces high-quality hair ties at the right price within your budget. It's a good idea since there's always a demand for hair ties. Alibaba has allowed businesses to be done online unless you're looking for a more complicated product where you have to find the right factory. But let me tell you this, you don't have to shell out money before having the product. Curious now? Here's a fact. China has become the factory of the world for 50 years now. They produce anything and everything that the world needs. And for them to sell their products, they give out loans. Of course, they wouldn't lend to strangers. So trust must be built. Once you start selling products, you can pay your initial loan and borrow even more products. You are telling them that if they can produce it, you can sell it. If you can sell it at a higher price than what you are paying, the rest is your profit. You don't have to produce significant capital to start earning. 2. Refinancing. Real estate debt has more loopholes than any other kind of debt. No mortgages mean extra taxes, which is why millionaires, even billionaires, have multiple mortgages. The tax reductions from their mortgages are dollars they get to save and add to their wealth. I don't get into the specifics, but here's the lowdown. They purchase a rundown house, take out a mortgage loan, and start renovating. They refinance after renovations since the home's market value has already gone up and people want to rent it. They're left with a significant amount after bank payments and renovation costs, which becomes their profit. Since their property is being rented, they now have passive income. Additionally, they won't have to pay taxes since they have a mortgage. 3. Hedge funds. These are made for the rich by the rich to make themselves even more prosperous. For ordinary people like us, we invest in companies that are already established and growing. Hedge funds take a business that's going bankrupt, take out a stock loan from a broker, and sell the stock online. The stock price drops, and they purchase it with their money from selling the stock online. They keep the difference and pay off the broker with the rest of the money. However, there's still an amount left, including interest. It sounds great in theory but is truly risky in practice. The stock market is highly unpredictable, but rich people have many analysts who help them predict the rise and fall of the market, which earns them their money. 4. Leveraging to trade Forex. Currencies are traded in the market, and rich people use this to earn a lot. Since currencies tend to fluctuate, they have to wait and see which ones do and purchase it with their money and profit from the difference. Leveraging to trade Forex is a very risky investment, and more often than not, it leads to huge debts. If a trade doesn't go well, the investor will likely lose all his money. Leveraging is a bad and good idea. A good idea is a way that it gives massive profits when the trade is doing well, but it's so bad that it leads to huge losses. 5. Credit scores. Since debt is so powerful, borrowing is used by the rich to build a great credit score. If they make a reputation of being a good payer, chances of their credit score will rise significantly, and they can use that as leverage to their other businesses. In reality, you don't need to be rich to understand how debt works. It's a myth that money is only for the rich. In fact, if you know how several markets revolve around money, you can use what you already have and invest in what you think suits you best. The profits are massive and the losses are few. You will find yourself joining the ranks of the wealthy in no time. There are many ways to learn the smart way of taking out a loan and using that as key to entering the world of trading and the stock market, and even foreign exchange. It just takes perseverance and a sharp brain to trick the market and work around the loopholes. They are there for a reason, and all you have to do is work your way through to gain profit, pay off the loans you took out, build your credit score, and be successful. Let's see if you still think debt is bad after you've had your first taste of profit from a loan you've turned around to help you earn. What are experiences about debt you used to have? Share with us and comment down below. And again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.